He's representing two families who lost loved ones aboard El Faro. Now, a local attorney says the ship's owner's request for limited liability and to be exonerated altogether should be denied. The company owned El Faro, which sank October 1st off the coast of the Bahamas during Hurricane Joaquin. 33 people were on board. Investigators have found the wreckage 15,000 feet below the ocean's surface and are still looking into what went wrong. Channel 4's Kumasi Aaron joins us live with details of this new lawsuit. Kumasi.
Yeah, and that motion goes into detail as to why they are submitting this request to ask this federal judge to throw out Tote Maritime's request for limited liability and exoneration in connection with the sinking of the El Faro. Now, 33 people were on board the ship, many of them members here at the Seafarers International Union. The motion goes on to claim the ship owners not only had knowledge and privity to the captain's reckless plan, they were parties to it.
This case should be dismissed, and we should be able to proceed with our case for fair damages for the families.
That's the logic behind attorney Steve Padgett's decision to file this motion. It asks a federal judge to dismiss a request made by the owners of the El Faro to limit their financial liability on behalf of the families of two people on board. Tote Maritime Services filed a motion restraining prosecution of all lawsuits and claims, citing a limited liability law passed in 1851. Padgett says times have changed.
They're relying on an 1851 law when maybe ship owners didn't know what happened to the ship when it got out to the sea and maybe didn't have any connection to the negligence. But here, we know for sure that the ship owners knew exactly what the plan was going to be, where the ship was going, exactly where it was at all times, where the hurricane was and where it was at all times.
Padgett attached this map to the motion showing the course of El Faro and the course of Hurricane Joaquin, which he says was available online and in real time. Also attached a transcript from a news conference Tote Maritime president and CEOs gave in the days after the ship sank. A reporter asks if they can override the captain of the ship, to which one replies, "We certainly can," and the other, "Absolutely." The motion highlights Anthony Ciarello's quote, "I'm the president and CEO of Tote, so the responsibility ends with me." Padgett says it's been tough for his clients.
On the one hand, they hear the ship owners saying, well, we accept responsibility, you know, but then they go file something in a federal court trying to limit their liability and to exonerate them from responsibility.
A judge will ultimately rule on Tote Maritime's request, but as that process unfolds, Padgett's clients and the other family members of El Faro can't file suit. That's why he believes this motion is so important. Well, while the Navy found the El Faro's wreck, the voyage data recorder was broken away. That critical piece of evidence will likely not ever be found. We did reach out to a Tote spokesperson today who said out of respect of the legal process, they're not going to comment on this motion, but the attorneys for Tote Maritime have 14 days to respond. On the south side, Kumasi Aaron, Channel 4, the local station.